Hello, this is Mike Kelleher from Cogent Legal, and what I'm going to show you today is a custom app that we created to show how you might browse a patent and provide information about a patent to a court or to a jury. So what I have here is we've taken this from patent 5870949, and I've created three different types of navigation systems by patent section, by figure, column, or claim, and then a detail examination of a couple of the figures 24 and 25. So I'm going to click on my iPad now to navigation by patent section, and you'll see that the basic idea here is that along the left-hand side we have a menu. If I click on any one of these menu items, it'll bring me to that section of the patent. So for example, I'm going to click on Summary of the Invention here, and it brings me right to that section of the patent. If I want to go to the next page, I just hit the right arrow, and I can zoom in by just using my fingers to zoom in or move or scroll along in the patent. So a pretty simple, straightforward navigation based on section. I'm going to go back to the main navigation page now. I'm just touching my screen to navigate here. I'm going to go to section 2, navigation by figure, column, and or claim. And here you see in the left side we have replaced the navigation system with an alternate way of being able to jump to specific figures or columns or claims. So I'm going to just go to the bottom and tap on Claim 4. You'll see that brings me to an image of Claim 4. We've put the type there. If I click on column 14, it brings me to that page of the patent. And again, I can zoom in or zoom out. I can also swipe left and right to advance through the patent. So that's a pretty useful way of getting through a patent. Now I'm going to just show you one third idea for your patent of something you might want to do, which is this third section here where we've taken figures 24 and 25 of the patent. And what we've done here, I think, is an important thing. We've taken the image from the patent, which is many pages ahead of column 18 of the text, which starts to describe these images. And we've taken the images, we've added to the drawing itself labels that are taken from the text. So for example, if I look over here, 36 is the fruit holders, and I took that from the text and we added it to the drawing here. It makes the drawing much more useful to understand. I just have to look at any particular item and I can remember what its label from the text was. The other thing that we've done in this is we've put side by side with the drawings the accompanying text in a scrollable format. So on the right hand side you can see I have column 18 starting at lines 40, the discussion of the patent. And if I can just drag my finger across it, I can scroll up and down. And I've got now to the top of the screen here that the conveyor drive mechanism translates the fruit holders, holders 36 here. And here's some of the power of this, is that I can now, while I just read that, I can immediately come over, look exactly at the drawing, which is right next to it. It's labeled, and so that helps me understand it much more quickly. And then when I'm done with that, I can continue scrolling through the description and go back and forth to understand the patent better. So big picture, this is a custom iPad app. This can be designed in a number of ways, but I wanted to show some of the power of taking an iPad and creating a custom app that you could give to the court or use in argument that would allow you to explain better. Thanks very much for watching.